Hi, my name's Jason Williams, and this is the 12-month update for my running on my own water and own power. All right, so it's December. This is 12 months because I got it online in December. This is 12 months later in December again, and I'm halfway through my water. This doesn't look good. We just had a winter recently. The winter we had was very dry, barely any rain, and my tanks didn't even fill clearly. And so this is looking a bit bleak. You know, hope we get a heap of rain. But anyway, if there's one thing I've noticed, it's I need to increase my amount of catchment. You know, so to speak. I think I need to gather more roof space, maybe off the house, but I'll show you that as I go. But what I'll do is I've got, you know, this much water left, but I've changed a few things as well to try and help better some other parts, like my power system. I think I've got that a bit better, and I'll show you now. I'll take you around and show you all the bits and pieces that I am doing and that is happening. I'm very disappointed about being halfway through my water, and it's only, you know, the beginning of summer, really. Yeah, not good. Alright, show you this bit. Alright, for the pipe, I've put that mechanical protection on. Put this guy on to keep that pipe a bit more protected, both from the sun and from you know, mechanical protection in case I knock it, break it, or whichever. Anyway, so that bit's done, thankfully. And here's my new hot water unit. I've got the Apricus heat pump, and this has made a massive difference. I'm no longer flattening my battery overnight easy, and my power consumption for heating water is almost, well, it's non-existent, because this is timed to come on at 10 a.m. and it only draws about 400 or 500 watts, and then that's it. It's done, and at the moment in summer it's only cycling for about an hour, and it's done, and it's 260 litres. But that has helped massively so far. And if you're wondering, like as far as extra water down here where the water drain for the wash machine is, I've got that plumbed into a pipe running around the back of the house and going around the corner and up there, and I'll walk around the front and show you what's happening. Alright, so it comes out to the front here, splits off into some other fittings, and runs out to water. So with a wash machine, whenever I do washing, it's running, you know, dumping all on the grass. Not that it's very good, but better than what I've ever had it so far. And that's utilising what would normally be waste. And from there, yeah, everything else is working pretty good. Oh, I have been switching it over to mains water when I do washing. So that's, you know, probably a cheat there, because you know, being that we didn't have a good rain, I'm just trying to make do with what I can. And that's one part of the drain of that water, so it's no longer wasted. And then the other part is draining out over here. Cool. And then inside the house. Alright, and as normal, I'm quite commonly, I've got a slow cook on. I've not turned it on yet because it's only a small roast. I'll turn that on at about 10 a.m. and then that'll be that's a very good power saving feature for cooking. Awesome. Alright, and as for this this is the air conditioner in the lounge of the house, a really old fashioned one, box aircon, and it's a major power consumer. This is my next thing I'm going to get rid of. I'll wait till after summer and then what I'm going to do is remove it, brick it up, and put a different air conditioner in, because this uses a huge amount of power, and I've got to switch on and off manually. It can't be set to a schedule like my other air conditioner in the bedroom. That's I can set it to a schedule on Wi-Fi and to come on and off, and that one's great. But this pain in the ass. But the worst thing about this is the noise. This thing is so loud that when it's on, I don't even want to sit in the lounge room. But yeah, I will, try to, I'll not try. I will, when summer's over, I'll pull it out, get it bricked up, or I'll brick it up, and I'll install a different one that uses far less power, one I can control via Wi-Fi and have on a schedule, and one that doesn't make anywhere near that much noise or use that much power, because it is very thirsty. Well, that's probably nearly it, or basically it for this update. The water, is looking a bit bleak. I'm a bit worried about that, but well, when I turn to mains, I've got to turn to mains. There will be things I do better. I mean, the only thing I am excited about, quite excited about, is this thing. It's the power draws. Well, obviously, as far as off the grid, non-existent. This is only powered by me, and it's not powered even by much. It's just so far really good. At least I don't have that large hot water unit, which is just over the back there, using up a massive amount of energy. Whereas now I can have a shower in the morning, don't have to worry about anything like having to start up early before the sun's up, and I don't have to worry about coming and having a shower at the end of the day, where it would, when the sun's down, and it would use the energy to heat the water back up. Don't have to worry about it now. This has been really good, and you can change the time or how long you want it to go for, when you want it to come on, so you can change a few things on it. It's definitely the most simple thing and best upgrade I've done so far, apart from put the water system on and fit the solar system. So awesome so far. I'll see how it goes. This has only been on for a couple of weeks, so I won't know the actual outcome for a few months really. It should be really good. That is about it. So far it's working, just I'm a bit low on water. Halfway through my usage, and it's only the beginning of summer. Bit concerning. I reckon I'll be turning over to main soon. And I guess, pretty happy with it so far. There's a few things I will change, like that aircon unit, maybe increase the water catchment. There's a few things I'm going to do. But running off my own water is great. My kettle's always clean. I'm using slow cook most of the time to cook food. That's been great. I really enjoy that. And cool. Thank you so much for watching. This kind of an update, 12-month update. I'll do it again in 18 months, which is a year and a half. In another 6 months, and I'll cover at what time I change back to mains, if I did, and what's happened. And alright, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ta.